and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Silke, and in today's video I will be filling in my bullet journal for the month of March. If you haven't seen me set up this month's bullet journal pages, do be sure to check out the video. I will leave the link in the description box down below, so go watch that if you haven't already. If you have watched it, then do relax and enjoy. I thought it would be a fun idea to showcase how I use my bullet journal and all the pages that I set up on a day-to-day basis. In order to be prepared for the month, I always start off by filling in my monthly calendar. This gives me an overview of all the things I have to do during the month and all the days that I am already busy. For example, like with work, I do work 2 jobs, a full-time job and then a part-time job on the side. And in order to keep track of this, I do fill in the days first. You will see me do this right now. I have work Monday through Wednesday, and then on Fridays for my full-time job, and then my side job is on Saturdays. I always start off by filling this in, unless of course I had a change in my roster, which can happen sometimes, and then I will adjust the roster, the overview as well. After filling in on which days I need to work for my jobs, I will go in and add any appointments or events that are happening. This can be simultaneously during my job, like for example, I have on the 13th pajama day at work, which is when everybody, including us, can work in our pajamas. And after that, I will also check for my videos, which ones need to go up on which date, and I will fill in when I need to film for those videos. So that's what you're seeing me do right now. I put down on which days I need to film, and then I put down on which days I need to upload the video, on which days they need to go live basically. For example, on Saturdays I always have a video go up of my Minecraft series, Ravenwood, and so I put that in there so that I don't forget that those need to be uploaded and going live at the scheduled time at 6 o'clock in the evening, and that is my personal Brussels time. I will then also add in any extra videos that I have going on, like my bullet journal videos. Those are usually on the last Wednesday of the month that I upload those, and then any extras like this one, which will be airing on the 4th of March. After filling in the monthly calendar, I am going forward to the next spread that I've set up, which has my contents planner, and then in this case a spring reset list. And then I will start off by filling in the videos again with the dates on which they need to go live. For this I use the monthly overview calendar so that I don't make any mistakes. And then you will also see me put in like the extra videos as well. If I have any ideas or brainstorms that I need to do for the channel, I will usually do that in like the blank space next to the journal, next to the videos I mean, so that I can make sure that I have like a little bit of an overview of all the things that I want to do or think that I might want to do. The top part of my content planner page will not yet be filled in. As you can see, I try to keep track of the growth each month of my social media channels, so both YouTube and Instagram, and I fill those in on the first day of each month as well as on the last day, so that I can have like an overview of how many followers I gained or lost in the worst case. This is something that I find really helpful to see. It's also something very motivating to see, because it does mean that I get to see the progress that I made during my month, and in general, if I look back at the previous months, I can also see like the progress on a yearly base, or even longer if I go back to previous journals. After filling in my content planner, the videos, I will showcase a couple examples for my spring reset list. For example, I have to clean out my bunny's cages as well as my bird's cages next month, and then washing windows, vacuuming, mopping, like basically doing like a deep clean. But I'll put like down all the tasks that I need to do on this list. This of course is a page that changes each month, so depending on what I have written down on it, I will fill it in differently than I have done to this month. I think it's really handy to have a list like this just to keep an overview of everything that needs to get done, since I am quite prone to forgetting things and remembering them much later than they needed to happen, basically. After setting up all the monthly spreads, the monthly overview pages, I will now be setting up and filling in my weekly pages. These change quite a lot during the week, especially as I am going on, because I do add things to to-do lists basically all the time. The first thing that you're seeing me do right now is fill in specifically my work hours, so which hours I need to work at which location, because the job that I have, my full-time job at, does have multiple locations that I might need to be at. And then I will also add the hours of my side job. After that, I will put in the appointments, so any appointments that I have, and this can be added throughout the month as well. Like if I make a new appointment, it'll be added in later, of course. But then I put down appointments with like the hour that I need to be at them, or if there's an event going on, I'll put down the event, if it has an hour or if it's a whole day. That'll depend on how I put it in. After that, I will also put in my moments that I need to film, moments that I need to edit, if I need to upload videos, so in the weeks that I edit my videos, I will also put down in the notes section that I need to upload those videos so that I don't forget to do that. And then, yeah, anything basically extra will also be added. As I said, this does change quite a lot throughout the month because I do work in this journal with like to-do lists type structure, so each day I can add tasks like, for example, vacuum, or the plants need water, or anything like that. It will be added in later. If I have something that I want to do for my job or something extra that I need to remind myself of a lot, then I will also add that in at a later date. Yeah, it's very interchangeable at this moment. You will see me fill in the rest of these pages. I will leave that going with a little bit of background music, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you also get some inspiration of how to use the pages that I've set up, because I do think they work quite well for me, so hopefully they will work well for other people as well. And I hope I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please leave a like and subscribe for more of these types of videos. And I hope I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.